The Oracle Dual Boiler now features the auto dial-in system, which can be turned on and off in the settings and will remain as default until changed. This monitors each extraction result. After onboarding, your grind size will be adjusted to suit your beans roasted on or best before date. Based on its readings, it adjusts the grind for the next extraction, making it easier to achieve consistently better results over time, with less trial and error. The Oracle Dual Boiler has 45 grind sizes to select from. You can manually adjust the grind size by tapping the grind size icon. Use the slider to adjust slower, or a finer grind size, or faster, a coarser grind size. If you don't have the auto dial-in system turned on by default, it's important to make only minor adjustments to your grind size when you dial in, and to dial in your beans again when you get a fresh bag from your favorite cafe or roaster. Dialing in your machine is like riding a bike. It can take a few tries each time, but with a little practice, it becomes second nature. Using the auto dial-in system takes the guesswork out and helps you get closer to a better coffee each time you run an extraction.